Cheddar. Cheddar is one of the most widely produced and recognized cheeses in the world, originating from the village of Cheddar in Somerset, England, and now made across nearly every major dairy-producing country. It has a smooth, firm body that ranges in color from pale ivory to deep orange, depending on whether annatto coloring has been added during production, and its flavor develops from mild and creamy at younger ages to sharp, complex, and slightly crumbly as it matures. To produce cheddar, whole cow's milk is warmed and combined with starter cultures and rennet, which causes the milk to coagulate into a solid curd. The curds are then cut, cooked, and drained before undergoing a distinctive process called cheddaring, in which the curd slabs are repeatedly stacked and turned to expel additional whey and develop the cheese's characteristic texture. The wheels are then pressed firmly and aged anywhere from a few months to several years, with longer aging producing sharper flavor, lower moisture, and a more granular texture. When sliced, young cheddar is smooth and flexible, while aged cheddar shows a firmer, drier body that may contain small white calcium lactate crystals, indicating extended maturation. Cheddar is commonly chosen by those who want a dependable, widely available cheese that suits everything from sandwiches and melting applications to cheese boards and cooking. Mozzarella. Mozzarella is a fresh Italian cheese with a soft, elastic texture and a mild, milky flavor that has made it one of the most consumed cheeses globally, particularly in pizza and other baked applications. It has a smooth, white exterior with no rind, a slightly shiny surface when fresh, and a clean, lightly tangy taste that becomes more neutral and creamy in its low-moisture processed form. To produce traditional mozzarella, whole milk is combined with starter cultures and rennet until it forms a curd, which is then heated and stretched by hand or machine in a process called pasta filata, giving the cheese's characteristic stringy, layered internal structure. Fresh mozzarella is sold packed in water or whey and has a very high moisture content that gives it a soft, almost liquid center when sliced. Low-moisture mozzarella is a drier, more processed version that has been pressed and aged slightly to reduce water content, producing a firmer block that shreds easily, melts smoothly, and develops a characteristic golden browning when baked. When sliced in its fresh form, mozzarella releases a small amount of liquid and shows a clean, bright white interior with a tender, yielding texture. Mozzarella is most commonly chosen by those who need a mild, clean-flavored melting cheese or who want a fresh, delicate dairy product to pair with tomatoes, basil, and olive oil in traditional Italian preparations. Parmesan. Parmesan, or Parmigiano Reggiano in its authentic Italian form, is a hard, aged cow's milk cheese produced under strict protected designation of origin rules in specific regions of northern Italy, particularly around Parma and Reggio Emilia. It has a pale golden granular interior with a thick, hard natural rind and a complex, deeply savory flavor that is rich, nutty, and slightly crystalline with a long-lasting finish. To produce it, partially skimmed raw cow's milk from 2 separate milkings is combined with whey starter and calf rennet, cooked to a high temperature to form very fine curds, and then packed into large cylindrical molds that give the wheels their distinctive rounded shape. The wheels are then submerged in brine for several weeks before being moved to aging rooms, where they rest on wooden shelves for a minimum of 12 months, though premium grades are aged for 24 or 36 months or longer. During aging, moisture evaporates slowly, and the paste becomes increasingly dense, dry, and crystalline, developing the concentrated umami compounds and tyrosine crystals that define its mature character. When broken or grated, authentic Parmesan shatters into uneven granular pieces with a slightly gritty texture and releases an intensely aromatic, savory fragrance. It is most often chosen by those who want a powerful flavoring cheese for pasta, risotto, soups, and salads, where even small amounts contribute substantial depth to a finished dish. Brie. Brie is a soft, ripened French cheese with a pale, bloomy white rind and a creamy, yielding interior that softens progressively from the edges inwards as the cheese matures. It has a smooth, downy exterior produced by a white mold called Penicillium camemberti, a pale straw-colored paste beneath, and a flavor that ranges from mild and buttery when young to more complex, earthy, and mushroomy as it approaches full ripeness. To produce it, whole cow's milk is gently combined with mesophilic starter cultures and rennet, which the resulting curd is ladled carefully into low molds to preserve its delicate structure without pressing. The wheels are then salted and sprayed or dusted with the white mold spores that will develop the characteristic rind over the following weeks of cave or cellar aging. As the rind matures, it releases enzymes that slowly break down the interior paste from the outside in, transforming a firm, chalky center into a completely runny, liquid texture in a fully ripe specimen. When sliced, a well-aged Brie shows a rind of firm white mold encasing a paste that flows slightly at room temperature, with a glossy, soft appearance and a strong, damp, and slightly barnyard aroma that intensifies with age. Brie is most commonly chosen by those who enjoy soft, rich, and slightly aromatic cheeses with a creamy texture suited to cheese boards, baked preparations, and pairing with fruit preserves or crusty bread. Camembert. Camembert is a soft-ripened French cheese closely related to Brie in both appearance and production method, but smaller in size, more intensely flavored, and historically associated with the Normandy region of northern France. It has the same downy white exterior produced by Penicillium camemberti mold, a pale to golden paste inside, and a flavor that is generally considered earthier, more pungent, and more assertive than Brie at a comparable stage of ripeness. To produce it, raw or pasteurized cow's milk is inoculated with starter cultures and rennet before the curd is ladled by hand into small cylindrical molds in 5 successive additions over the course of about 45 minutes, a traditional method that helps maintain the cheese's open, delicate texture. After draining, the wheels are salted and transferred to ripening rooms where the white mold rind develops over approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Because Camembert wheels are smaller and thinner than Brie wheels, the enzymatic ripening from the rind reaches the center more quickly, resulting in a more uniform softening across the paste. When cut open, a well-ripened Camembert shows a fully yielding interior that may run slightly at room temperature, with a strong, damp, and slightly barnyard aroma that intensifies with age. Camembert is typically chosen by those who want a more pronounced and complex soft cheese experience than Brie provides, and who are comfortable with stronger, earthier aromatic profiles. Gouda. Gouda is a semi-hard to hard Dutch cheese made from whole cow's milk, ranging from smooth, mild, and buttery when young to deeply complex, caramel-toned, and crystalline as aged for extended periods. Young Gouda has a smooth, supple interior with a yellow wax rind, a pale ivory paste, and a gentle, creamy sweetness with very little sharpness or bite. To produce it, whole cow's milk is warmed and set with starter cultures and rennet until a portion of the whey is replaced with warm water during the cutting process in a technique called washing the curd, which reduces acidity and contributes to the cheese's characteristically sweet and approachable flavor profile. The curds are then pressed into round or rectangular molds, brined for flavor and rind development, and then coated in wax and placed in aging environments for anywhere from 1 month to several years. As Gouda ages beyond 12 months, it transitions significantly in both texture and flavor, developing a deep amber interior, a firm and brittle paste, and a pronounced sweetness reminiscent of butterscotch or toasted caramel, accompanied by the crunchy tyrosine crystals associated with extended maturation. When sliced, aged Gouda shatters rather than bends, with a dense golden cross-section that contrasts sharply with the pliable, pale interior of its younger counterpart. Gouda is commonly chosen by those who want a versatile cheese that performs well across a broad range of ages, from mild everyday snacking to assertive aged varieties suited to wine pairings and cheese boards. Gruyère. Gruyère is a firm Swiss cheese made from raw cow's milk in the cantons of Freiburg, Vaud, and neighboring regions of Switzerland, known for its smooth, dense paste, its small, irregular holes, and its rich, complex flavor that deepens considerably with age.
To produce it, raw milk is warmed in large copper vats and combined with natural whey starter cultures and rennet, which forms a firm curd that is cut into very small granules before being cooked to a high temperature to expel moisture and develop density. The pressed wheels are then transferred to brine baths and moved to cool underground cellars where they are regularly turned and rubbed with salt for a minimum of 5 months and often considerably longer for reserve and aged classifications. During maturation, the rind develops and the paste firms gradually, while flavor compounds build through the action of the remaining bacteria and natural enzymes in the raw milk. When sliced, Gruyère shows a smooth, dense cross-section with small scattered holes and a slightly waxy sheen that reflects its moisture level. Gruyère is often chosen by those who want a complex, full-flavored melting cheese with depth and structure, particularly for applications like French onion soup, fondue, and gratins, where its melting behavior and flavor intensity are central to the finished dish.